Maybe they need a code word for, like, when your dogs get used to hearing it when you walk.
That's a good idea. Changing the terminology. Because at the moment he's stuck. Yeah, like maybe instead of time for bed, time for story, time for,
Yeah.
you know, or even planning 15, 20 minutes playing on the floor in there before he has to go to sleep. Okay, so once again, in relation to the auditory integration points, and hold, and celestial circuit, and hold, beautiful. Actually, hold, taking it from exhaustion to second stage, okay, not there yet. So what do we need next? ESR, oscillation, chakra, essence, so we need another essence. Not quite brandied up yet.
That's fine, I can do that for a bit.
Yeah, that's right. Plenty of time. Oh yeah, imagine Mr. Two. It's Southern Cross energy, which is about poor me. Why me? Why do I have to go to bed? You're still awake. I want to have some fun. Oh, that's funny. Little monkey. Yeah, 6 drops. Six drops, yeah, right. Once again, I'm sort of thinking it might be linked in with all the hospital visits and everything like that where, you know, depending on the hospital, depends on how you cope. Like one of the hospitals, they used to do that, wake them up every 2 hours to check the blood oxygen overnight. And whereas another one, they just come in and say, is he sleeping well? Cool. Looks like he's breathing good. Good. Yeah. Yeah, what a surprise. Sleeping babies heal better.
Suddenly less distress.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. So something else with the celestial circuit. So once again, let's put in auditory integration point. I am happy and healthy and love going to bed. And hold. Anything else conscious in relation to that? So see trust, I see disposal, so deep play, A, B, C, D, parallel working on luminous. From the parahippocampus or hip C, right? Oh, okay. And there's another little integration in the centre that's a bit jammed in there as well. So this one is rip and lip. So what might be happening? Nothing there. He said at the moment memory centres are only linked, the memory centres are only linked to stress in relation to sleep. So his brain isn't integrating when he has a good night's sleep that I've had a good night's sleep and that wasn't so stressful. So it's just remembering the old stuff. So there's a fear in there around that. Yeah, it's like a fear of laying down new memory that lets us know it's happy and safe. He wants to keep the stress in there. Is there psychological reversal in relation to this? There is. Want, need, okay, so I'll pop it in again. I am happy and healthy and love going to bed. Psychological reversal. Want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve, trust. It's all about safety. It is safe to let go of this problem. And hold. It is safer to keep this problem. And hold. Okay. Need to reverse that. Yeah, right. I don't know at what age the corpus callosum really connects, because logic only kicks in around 2 years old, but nonetheless we'll check trust and trust issues from left to right sides of the brain, and hold. Trust and trust issues. Hold. Okay, so more in relation to the psychological reversal, yes there is. CC trust, AC despondency, amygdala, A, B, C, R. Okay, so we've hit the third hippocampal circuit. So hippocampus is a memory centre, and the third hippocampal circuit is to do with survival. Can't fall any further. Okay, hold. Yeah. So this is in relation to sleep. His body goes into danger. Danger, danger. Okay. And an odd pain and punishment circuit. Calm these ones down. And hold, and this one, hold, yeah. So this one is life or death importance. So it's a life or death decision to go to bed or not. This is what happens in survival, our brain overreacts. We need to connect these two. Safe to sleep. Okay, hold, hold. So there's his accumulative intuition is overworking, telling him that sleep is dangerous, and that makes him want to run away from sleep. Which is messing with his motivation wanting to sleep. Yeah, so the hippocampus is a memory centre. This is the survival patterns associated with those memories within the hippocampus. And then I'll get you to put the hand on the navel, which brings it, that's all current stuff, so now we're bringing in past stuff. So we've still got the danger, danger. once again the accumulative intuition. Out of whack because of danger. Yep, old pain and punishment circuit. So his nervous system's assuming there's going to be stress every time he goes to try to fall asleep. Happy and healthy and love going to sleep. And hold. Psychological reversal. Want, need, think, safe, believe, deserve, trust. So safety isn't showing up, but we'll double check it. It is safe to let go of this problem. And hold. That's better. It is safer to keep this problem. Hold. Beautiful. Good, good, good. So once again, anything in PBSS, anything in the conscious brain, where do we need to go? Celestial circuit, survival, deep survival. In deep survival, do we need to do the fusion? We do. ESR, isolation, chakra, base chakra. Okay. So base, linked in with the adrenals and the sphenoid bone. And hold. It's either first or third stage stress. And hold. Okay, it's only first. There's some amethyst energy. There's chakras around not feeling safe and secure. I am grounded. I am safe. I am grounded. I am safe. I am grounded. I am safe. And hold. And hold. Beautiful. Give me an unlock if there's anything else we need to do at this time for Teddy. And hold. Beautiful. Okay. This is a new program for this body now and in the future. The old program for this body is no longer necessary now in the future. Okay. Teddy's all cooked. Now we better make you back to you again. I am now 100% Shelby. And hold. Hold. And hold. Beautiful. Fantastic. Thank you.
That's all right.